Hi friends, hope you are enjoying our Pandas tutorial series, and we are almost at the end of our section 2 or section B, where we have reading all the data import and export parts. So many parts we have already covered, our Excel, CSV, database and HTML and all. One of the frequently requirement will be how to copy paste data frame data. So what happen when a data frame is there, directly we can copy the data frame to our clipboard. So we can paste it elsewhere. We can paste it in an Excel file or a CSV file, or simple as a text also we can paste it. For that we will be using two clipboard. We'll learn about that. I am in my Visual Studio Code. So here we have imported the Pandas library, import Pandas as PD. I am just pasting one dictionary here. This is the dictionary, name, ID, English. 3 keys are there and the values are the list. So 3 values are there. So this I will use to create my data frame. So df equal to pd dot data frame. Now what should be my data? My data is my dictionary, what I have used this. So my data frame is ready. Now I can just print it to see what it is. So let's just run this and see once. Here it is. You can see the data frame is ready. But instead of that, what I am going to do is now print df to clipboard. What will happen is this will copy the entire data frame to my clipboard. So let's just run this and see how we will check that it is copied or not. We have a text file here in another tab. I am just pasting it here. So you can see it got copied. But while this copying process, let me remove this and go out, do some changes here. Now here, while copying, I can specify that index equal to false. Means don't put any index there. So let's just run it once. Now fine. Now let's come here. You can see the name, ID, math and English. That's all. So there is no index further. Now let me go back. Now I can specify also what are the columns to be used. So I can say columns equal to, now it's a list actually. So I'll say ID, then use name. ID name is uppercase. Let me match the case here. ID. Then I will use name. Let's see what happens if I'll run like this. Let's just run this. Fine. Now let me come here, paste it below that. You can see only the ID and name column has come up. Here one more thing. While running this, you can see that, okay, let's remove this. You can see every time there is a by default, I can specify the separators or the data between what it is used, delimiter, separator. So here by default separator is a tab space. I can say don't use tab, use comma as it. So that's why I can use a comma here. Let me save this, run. So it is copied to the clipboard. Let me come here and paste it. You can see one comma is given in between. So this directly I can use it as a CSV file, comma separated value file or CSV file. When the data frame is copied, I can paste it in a Excel file also. That will be highly useful because many data frames we can directly copy this way. But one thing is, by default, this Excel, by default it is true. We can make it false. So let's first try with true, which is the default value, of course. I need not specify. Now let's run this once. So it is there. Now I will go to a blank Excel file. Here it is. I will just paste this. You can see it is pasted. Okay, I am just removing it. Control Z, I am back. Now let me do a change. I will make it false. Saving this, running it again. Fine. Now let me paste it. Control V. Now you can see this is actually pasted in the one cell only. You can see this is, suppose if I am coming to B, it is not there. So you can see it's row wise it printed. This is like a data, it has not come to all the cells. In the previous tutorial, we have used read HTML to get the data from a URL and picked up the tables by using our read HTML. So that I am 3 lines of code I am using. I have just pasted it here, reading from this URL and matching the PyGC. This is a string matching there and it picks up. It's a regular expression matching. And then I am creating the data frame from there. So this line also I will remove, and I will default is Excel is true. So I will maintain the default value for Excel. Now I need not print it here. So what I am doing is I am picking up the table from a website, and that I am going to use it in a Excel file. So I am just running this. Fine, it got copied. Now I am going to my Excel page. Here I am pasting it. You can see I can this way I can go on pasting. I can loop it through a for loop or something. I can use it, and this is a totally taken from a URL. So I can transfer it to like that. I can loop through all the pages and transfer the table data to a data frame or to a Excel sheet. That's all, friends. Hope you have understood this how to transfer data to a clipboard. And if you are able to transfer the data, we can also able to read the clipboard and create a data frame. That we will read next. That is read a clipboard data. So hope you are enjoying this, and my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add new tutorials, and we frequently do that also. And if you have any doubts, suggestions, questions, use the comment section below to post it. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.